How to remove saved search on Google Chrome. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the video on how you can remove saved search on Google. In order to remove or turn off your saved search on Google, first of all, open up a browser. On the web address, tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side corner. Once you're on this page, go ahead and tap on settings. After that, it's going to direct you to the settings page. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of the information. So from the left hand side bar, click on privacy and security. After you tap on privacy and security, you'll be able to see multiple options underneath. So right over here, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see security. While you're on this page, scroll down a bit and go to no protection, not recommended, mark on it and click on. Go ahead and tap on the one. Done that, you've successfully turned off or removed saved search on Google. So in this way, you can remove saved search on Google. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.